bird, cock a 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 bird. Small bird, big bird, every single bird, 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 bird. I'm a bird, I'm a bird, I'm a bird, I'm a bird, I'm a bird. I'm a bird, I'm a bird, I'm a bird. The coolie birds. What should we do today, Apple Current? What should we do today? I don't know. Oh, what day is it? Nunu. Tuesday. Oh, I thought it was a special day. I'm so sad that they forgot my birthday. I'm so sad they forgot my birthday. What's that sound? Coo, 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 coo. I wonder what that sound was. I can't hear it now. Oh, there's that sound again. Coo, 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 coo. What's that sound? I wonder what that sound was. I really wonder. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Yes, yes, that's great. Hey, Cocoon, close your eyes as you follow me. Oh. But why? You'll see. But don't yet. Actually, come when I call you. Okay. Come on, get ready. I'll go and get the rest. Coo, 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 coo. Coosh, coosh, coo, 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 coo. Oh, Danado, you got to make it. I'll go and get the rest. There you are, Boom, Boom, Boom. time you were at the party. Oh, sorry. Come on. Oh, why is he here? Nothing. I'm just training this little guy. That's it, I'm filming. That's him filming. Now let's fly away to get some more people. Ooh, cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Sorry. Let's practice the birthday song. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink. That's good. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. 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 Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. That's good. Now let me try. Now let's try all together. Now I'm going to try next. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. That really is good. Hello, AJ. Mean, So we're all nearly there. All we need is Buggy. Oh, here you are, Buggy. Let me try. Ba 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 ba. Happy birthday. Hey, stop. She doesn't know it's her birthday. Hey. Okay. Tweety, you can come now. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now, all together. Now let's go. All of us have got some things to show you. Meow, 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 meow. Ruff, 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 ruff. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, everyone go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tweety. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! And one more for good luck. Hip hip. Hooray! What's this? It's your birthday. Here we go again. Let's see what we've got for you. We hid it we've all hid it, our present very well. I'll go and find mine first. Oh wow, there's so many presents in here. I wonder which is mine. Oh, here it is. Look, it's a friend. It's my friend. So that's what all that croaking was. Oh, I forgot to. Oh, I hope I'm not too late. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Congratulations, Fred. Now, do you want to see some Twix? Later. She hasn't got to have her cake yet. I'm filming. Hey, we all bought a cake, even me. We bought 3 cakes. This is mine. This is mine. We sliced the cake in half. This is mine. This is this piece. Here's this piece and this piece for you. Thanks. This piece for you, and it's like you've got one more piece and one for you. Let's eat. I'm finished. Nom 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 nom. I'm finished too. Nom 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 nom. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. Wow. Now let's have some more presents done. Okay, because it's your birthday. Because it's your birthday. Because it's your birthday. Wait a minute, where's Roxy? Roxy! Woo! Oh, there you are, Roxy! Just in time for a piece of cake. Nom, 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 nom. Yummy! Delicioso! And I bought loads of stuff. I bought it in my food bowl. It's a big yummy snack for you guys. Here it is. Oh wow! Let's eat. Oh, here we go. Oh, Rocky. Sorry, because I didn't have my breakfast today because all I did today is get out of my stable to make the cake. Now let's have some rocking fun. Wait a minute, you forgot something. Oh yeah, your skateboard stunts. Let's do this. Here we go. And see that again. Here we go. Wow. What about this? Woo! Now here's some more. Here we go. Wow, Fred, those are amazing. Thanks, everybody. No, we're not done yet. We still haven't sewed it all. Still haven't sewed all the presents. Okay. Here, what is it? It's a new pillow. It's a new bed for you. Try it out. It's so nice. It's so cozy. I'm happy that this is a day where people think about each other. This is the best birthday ever. I wonder what that sound is. Goose. I mean, meow, meow, meow. I'll get on here. Meow. Coming in for landing. Oh, it's you, Sky. Yes. I was looking for you. Come on, let's go. Are you sure this place is quiet? Wait a minute. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Calm down already. Calm down. Coming in for landing. Wow. Let's climb down. Let's climb down here. Don't worry. I can do this. I will go down like I can't fly. And then fly down. I mean, I'm gonna fly down. And I'm gonna fly down. Oh no! I'm stuck. Look! Lift up! Wow! And there must be something down there exciting. Let me go. Lift it up. Whoa! We can go inside. That's so helped. Okay, let's go in. Oh wow! It's it's amazing in here. We actually go. Come on, let's just push the door. We can't get in. You need the password. Tell me your names and do the part, and I will let you in. It's magic. My name's Tweet, and my name's Guy. Okay, go in then, but be careful. Come on, Tweety, it's amazing in here. This way? What is that piece? Let's see. Oh, it says we need to go this way, but there is no way to go. We can't go forward. Don't worry. We can just push down on it. No. Ah, it's moving. Let's go somewhere else. There's a place. Wait a minute. Let's go back because we forgot something. Okay. Let's stay here for a little bit. Okay. That isn't filming. Hey! Okay. Let's go somewhere. A dinosaur. Don't worry, it's me, Dave, the dinosaur. Oh, Dave, you nearly scared me. Come with me. I'll get you out of this trap. Because people make these traps so they can kill dinosaurs. But they don't get me in them. But they accidentally got me. But then I accidentally went in. Come on, get out. I can't. We can't. My jets are broken. Don't worry. I'll carry you out. I'll start with you, Sky. Jump. It was a bit of a rough. I'm sorry for the rough landing. It's all right. Oh, you come in, Tweety. I'm right here. Where? I can't see you. Woo! Oh, there you are, Tweety. Do you want to come with me? And why are you here at the middle of the night? Oh, we didn't realise it was night time. I'm just joking. It's just, I mean, you need to get away quick before you get sick because of the tarmatine. Who are they? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Tarmatines are coming. Look, it's one of the tarmatines. can stop them. I will stop him. Come on. Let's have some fun after here. Let's have a bird party. Okay. But someone needs to go and get the rest of the birds. Let's have a bird party. Okay, but what about the rest of the birds? I'll go. Tweety's gonna have a bird party. A bird party? Well, we're going. White sloths? Yeah. White balls? Yeah. Let's fly. Woo. Sorry, Tweety. Sorry, Tweety. I'm sorry he's a bit rough. Now, let's have a bird party. Bird, three and a bird. No! Bird, and three and a bird. A 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 bird, and three and a bird. Bird, let's fly like a bird. Bird, let's fly like a bird. Bird, let's fly. Let's tweet like a bird. Tweet. Let's a bird, let's fly like a bird. Come on, let's be like a bird. Let's be like a bird, let's be like a bird, to the colour. Be a colour like a bird. What bird will you be if you could? Will you be a marlin? Will you be a nod? Will you be a tweeden? Will you be a tulin? Will you be a bluebird? There are loads of kinds of birds. Three and a bird, and three and a bird, and three and a bird, and three and a bird, a bird. And three and a bird, and three and a bird, and three and a bird, a bird. What is a bird? A bird. Three and a bird. What did you say? A bird. What did you say? Louder! A bird! Oh, it's too loud. It's giving me a headache. A bird, and three and a bird, a three and a bird, a bird, and three and a bird, a bird. A bird, and three and a bird. Oh, I am exhausted. Let's go home. Well, me here and me live in Jerusalem. We always fly to your place. Actually, I live there too, but I always come to see my friends. You can come to mine to sleep, because I planned this sleepover for years. Yeah! I'll just go and get the beds for the sleepover. Coo, coo, coo. Here's my bed. Here's my one. Here we'll just sleep inside. Actually, we'll just sleep in the dark because we're birds that only they don't usually turn up. Because actually I will go underground because I'm a bird that comes out near when it's near night time. Bye. Bye. Hope you don't get meet a monster. There aren't any monsters. Ah, a monster! Oh, a monster! There's a monster in there. I'm sure there isn't. Come on, Dan. Wake up. He said he saw a monster. Let's go. I'm the first one. I'm the one that saw it first. I'm the one that heard about it next. I'm the one that heard about it next. I'm the one who heard about it next. The monster. Oh, don't worry, it's just Nunu. Nunu. Wakey, wakey. He's fast asleep. Let's not wake up. Quick, up to the top floor. Again. And let's get back into our beds. Okay. Let's get into our beds because we are very sleepy. Actually, I'll stay up here in case I see any more monsters. So that's good because we made this bed for you. Well, that's good because actually I made this bed for all of us. I mean for you and me. For when we do this. Come on, let's sleep. Oh,